Indian International Space Conclave 2025, which is the fourth edition. The second day of that was today. We just had our plenary session where Srimati Meenakshi Lekhi was the chief guest and Dr. Kiran Kumar was there along with us. Today we have a number of parallel sessions on international cooperation, on South-South cooperation, on space sustainability, on launch vehicles, on our NAVIC system. Multifold things what is happening in space will be discussed between the government, between the startups and other policymakers. So we have signed a number of MOUs, and distinctly the most important MOU we have signed is with MIT, which is a knowledge partner. And because a very important part of space and what ISPA does is building up capacity in our youth. And for that we are doing linkages with multiple universities to build up this education. I would also like to tell you that we have taken out thought leadership documents, and today there was a document on ISAM, which is a new domain of space sustainability, views from UK, views from India, and a complete booklet on that has been taken out. You know, you saw the two future Gaganyatris. India will be on the moon by 2040 on an Indian aircraft, on an Indian rocket, and we will have our first Gaganyatri landing at Chandrayaan in 2040. And beyond that, of course, Brahmand, anywhere, India will be there, everywhere at the high table. You know, we had a team of 4 Gaganyatris who were trained to be prepared to go for our Gaganyaan mission, which is in 2027. We got an opportunity to send one of them in an Axiom mission, and Shubhashnu Shukla was the one who went to the International Space Station. Everybody knows about it. The other Gaganyatris, 2 of them were here today, Prashant Nair, Group Captain Prashant Nair and Group Captain Angad Singh. Both of them are all being prepared for the Gaganyatris to be in 2027. You know, the most difficult part for any expertise to be there is for survival of a human being in that microgravity, that vacuum, where everything from breathing to everything has to be done. And these systems to be produced in India is a challenge which is being done by ISRO along with cooperation from number of research institutions and universities. Oh, there is total support. Like today it was mentioned, additional money for the Gagan Yatra mission. Gagan mission was released by the PMO's office last year itself. Money has never been an issue as far as the government goes. Space has been very fortunate. The government has always provided total support for it.